At the IDT 2025 Defense Exhibition in Brno, a joint Czech-Ukrainian engineering effort introduced a revolutionary entry into the unmanned system space, the UNEX UGV. This next-generation amphibious ground vehicle is engineered to perform across a range of mission environments, adapting seamlessly to the dynamic demands of 21st-century conflict. Built with combat versatility at its core, the UNEX UGV combines electric propulsion with advanced autonomy and amphibious maneuverability. It's designed for both tactical and logistical operations, enabling battlefield mobility on land and water without the need for reconfiguration. The result is a multi-role system that supports combat support, reconnaissance, supply delivery, and casualty extraction, while operating independently or under remote control. The vehicle is powered by a fully electric drivetrain and features a robust payload capability of 1,700 kilograms. Its top speed reaches 20 km per hour, and it can sustain continuous operations for 6 hours per charge. Thanks to a generous ground clearance of 600 mm, the UNEX can surmount 1-meter obstacles and navigate steep gradients of up to 40 degrees. In aquatic settings, it remains effective for over 3 hours, extending operational reach in riverine or flooded environments. Secure control is ensured through encrypted communications within a 10 km line-of-sight range, and LTE compatibility provides extended connectivity without geographical limits. The platform's architecture supports interchangeable mission modules, from surveillance kits and remote weapons to electronic warfare payloads. This modular approach makes it highly adaptable for varied tactical needs. The UNEX UGV is the product of a coordinated development initiative between Czech and Ukrainian defense specialists. It has already undergone extensive field testing, including active use with the Ukrainian military. Trials across different terrains and scenarios have validated its operational capabilities and confirmed its durability under combat-relevant conditions. What sets the UNEX apart from other UGVs on the market, such as Estonia's Milrem Themis, is its true amphibious nature. Unlike systems that require preparation or specialized kits for water traversal, the UNEX is ready to operate across domains with no delays. Additionally, its low ground pressure reduces the risk of mine detonation, which is a major advantage in demining and ISR missions. Beyond its technical specs, the platform offers strategic benefits. Its autonomous functionality and resilience to electronic interference make it especially suited for contested environments where GPS and comms are unreliable. With official adoption by Ukraine's Ministry of Defense, the vehicle is poised to influence broader procurement strategies and serve as a catalyst for future regional defense innovation. Though procurement costs have not been publicly revealed, interest in the system is already rising within defense communities. As unmanned platforms become more central to future warfare doctrines, the UNEX UGV emerges as a compelling choice for nations seeking adaptable, rugged, and mission-ready ground systems. The debut of the UNEX UGV marks a leap forward in how armed forces might conduct operations across land and water. With its proven field performance and modular flexibility, it represents a bold step toward the future of autonomous ground warfare.